For months, Samsung has been quietly working on something pretty interesting. We already knew new foldables were coming. But this year, it's not just another Z Fold or Z Flip. There's a third device in the mix, and it could completely change how we see foldable phones. Meet the Galaxy Wide Fold. Reports out of Korea suggest Samsung is planning 1 million units right from the start. Now, in a world where over a billion smartphones ship every year, that might not sound huge, but context is everything. Previous experimental foldables? They barely scratched 500,000 units. And the Trifold? Under 40,000 shipments. Jumping straight to 1 million tells us something. Samsung isn't treating this as a niche experiment. They expect real demand, and that means global availability, not just select markets. What's driving that confidence? The design. Unlike the Trifold, which pushed the boundaries a bit too far, the Wide Fold looks practical. Familiar enough to manufacture at scale, but different enough to stand out. In fact, if demand is stronger than expected, that initial 1 million units could be just the beginning. Here's where it gets spicy. Leaks suggest Samsung will beat Apple to the punch with this design. Apple's first foldable iPhone? Expected around September, alongside the next wave of iPhones. Samsung's Wide Fold? Possibly summer release, June or July, alongside the Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8. And the crazy part? These phones might look extremely similar. The difference isn't size, it's shape. Unlike the tall, narrow Z Fold, the Wide Fold opens like a small tablet, closer to an iPad mini. Wider, more balanced, way better for videos, multitasking, and productivity. This isn't just a phone, it's a foldable mini tablet experience. Analysts say Apple could sell 10 million foldables in a few months. Compared to that, Samsung's 1 million target seems modest. But Samsung isn't chasing Apple in numbers. They're defining the category first. Will the Wide Fold outsell the Z Fold 8? Probably not. The traditional Fold lineup is still Samsung's bread and butter. Recent models, like the Z Fold 7, even outsold the cheaper Z Flip 7. That trend will likely continue. The Z Fold 8 is still the main star. But the Wide Fold? This is a massive win for Samsung. Selling 1 million units of a brand new form factor proves people are ready for something different. It sets the stage for a second foldable era, less about experimentation, more about refinement. So what do you think? Is the Wide Fold the future of foldables, or just another interesting detour? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.